wax on the inside, I'm gonna, you know, I always tie this because I want it to be secure. I keep dropping it and it's getting tangled and tangled and tangled. Ouch. Okay, so this will be dealing with. You need to cut the sides. Synthetic hair be sticky. I use these like usual. Okay, so I never installed a wig before, like the right way. So this is my first time actually install it. Like I have a makeup idea and it requires blonde hair. And since this is a new wig, I have to do the install, like from A to Z. I'm gonna go with these scissors, like, these are nail scissors, that's how they look like. I hope I don't ruin it. Yeah, I guess I did ruin it. I always do this, oh my god. I'm sad. Let's do the other side. Okay, so behind the ear, and then you go here, and then you put it. I'll just keep that little bit of hair in there, just in case I mess up the lace. Low-key doesn't require cutting the hair. Okay. We're not cutting any hair. Alright, this is what I'm offering, and this is what you get. Okay, so I have cornrows on. I'm gonna use these. And like, down here. Ouch. They do be painful, but I don't know. They secure the wig so good. They give you like a little facelift or whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna like paint the lace or whatever. I guess the lace is transparent, I'm not sure. I don't think me painting the wig on my head is a good idea. I'm gonna use this foundation. It is dark, it is my skin tone, it's just the ring light. I always be saying that. And I don't be lying, so for sure. We're gonna lift the wig like that a little bit. I hope I don't mess up the hair. Okay, like I don't have to put it all the way there. What? Oh my gosh. Finish cutting the lace. I don't want to miss the lace. I already messed up the wig. This is so bad. I'm a little done. So. Cut hair with it because you know I was losing my patience. It's a synthetic wig. What are you expecting from it? Like, are you like expecting like the issue is this. The issue is me. I'm sweating my balls off. I'm gonna use my glue. I suck. I am trying, but the really hot today. Yes, this is how I glue my wigs. Yes, I suck. Yes, I am not experienced at all. And yes, I hate watching tutorials and doing it the right way. I hate learning stuff. Oh my god, this will sound so ignorant. What is the glue doing here? Oh my god, I forgot to use rubbing alcohol. Yeah, we good. I'm gonna use my hands. I do tend to get very bored, so I'm not gonna wait for the glue. I'm not gonna wait for the glue to set. I'm not gonna wait for the glue to set. I'm just doing it right now. I'll try to clean it. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but it is bad. That's too much wig on me. It didn't stick. Nothing stuck. I'm trying not to break down, so nothing stuck. I wonder why. It's not like I didn't use the alcohol and shit. Six minutes of footage of me doing nothing at all. Okay, let's see if it sticks this time. If it doesn't, I'm giving up. It's not sticking. I'm gonna use one of these things that I use, even though I know it's not gonna stick, but yeah, I still have hope that it's gonna stick. I'm gonna use one of these things. Why does this suck? Like, it looks like it's not gonna stick. Oh, never mind, that's it. Oh my god, what is this? It's not even funny. It's not even funny, like, oh my god, it's hot in here. I'm gonna try rubbing alcohol to, you know, and try it on this foundation here. So we have alcohol. I'm gonna try to push it a little bit. This shit long. She's pretty long. Oh my god, it sheds. It's shedding. She has a lot, so I don't know. No, it's not a good quality either. Am I disappointed? Yes, a little. Okay, it did stick a little bit. This side, yeah, it did. Okay, I'm gonna try and clean this. Like if the wind blows, like if the wind goes.
What was that?
So I was saying, if the wind blows, you know, like it wouldn't look that bad. So now try and clean this piece of hair here. No, it's just shedding. It's just shedding. I'm afraid I crinkle it. Okay, I guess this is all I have to offer, and this is what you're getting. This is all. I'm gonna put a little foundation there. Why is it not sticking? Because I'm a greasy, sweaty bitch. Cool wig, cool wig, cool wig, cool wig, cool wig. If we ignore the fact that I didn't glue it right.